Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing pink ID cards and permanent residence. I've done videos like this before. For those who are unaware, yes, foreign nationals can get something akin to a Thai ID card. A Thai ID card is blue, and it's for Thai nationals. It has a lot of the vital information on it. It's a national ID card. It is possible for foreign nationals to get one, depending on circumstances. Generally speaking, a prerequisite is a house book, which may be for a blue house book, or it may be a yellow house book. In the case of a yellow house book, that's for a non-immigrant visa holder. A blue house book is for a permanent resident. But this is sort of where things divide. And the reason for this video is because of this recent correspondence I received. Hi, sir, could you please clarify the following for me? I see some foreigners living in Thailand have a Thai ID. I think pink color, card, and yellow house book. They say it's not hard to get. My question is this permanent residence, i.e. no more visa required, etc.? Thank you so much. So, yeah, no, the pink ID card and the yellow house book are not permanent residents. Now, you may see permanent residents who have a pink ID card because they have a blue house book and they also have a red book, which is their alien book. They've got all kinds of documentation associated with permanent residents. But they may also decide they want an ID card just because it's kind of convenient, and because they're in a house book, they can't get one, even though only Thai nationals can get a Thai ID card, a blue ID. Non-Thai nationals can get a pink ID card. But to be clear, this does not confer permanent residence. I've done other videos on this channel where we've discussed this in depth. Long story short, the Immigration Act of 1979 has nothing to do with the Civil Registration Act as amended in 1991. They're two totally different sets of law, and they do not interact with one another. So the fact that one may be eligible for a yellow house book under the Civil Registration Act as amended in 1991, that doesn't have anything to do with your immigration status. You may still be in non-immigrant status, notwithstanding the fact that you can get a yellow house book and thus a pink ID.